Assalamu alaikum. Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak to all of my friends, followers, peers, relatives, juniors, seniors, superiors, inferiors, and all of my teachers and all of my near and dear ones. And hope you are feeling very well and nice. And today I'm before you on occasion of the holiday, the second biggest, largest Muslim religious festival, the Holy Eid al-Adha, and on occasion of that day, all the Muslim community who are living the outside of their homes and who are outsider coming towards their homes, and all the brothers and sisters already reached their homes, and those who are in the roads or streets and with their safe journey, and those who are coming towards their routes, and hope that they will enjoy the day with their relatives and with their near and dear ones, with their lovers and beloveds, and they will enjoy a perpetual and unending a lovely time with your near ones. And I think this day will remove all types of sorrow, sufferings, and injustice from our life. Our country is beset with all types of problems. That's inflation, high price of our daily commodities, and these types of things will be drastically removed on occasion of the day, and Almighty God will accept our prayers, and will got the favor of our Almighty God through the sacrifice of our animal. And we're going to sacrifice a lot of animals for the favor of our God, and hope that our God will remove all types of sorrows and sufferings from our lives, and taking this expectation before you, I hope that it will remove our all sorrows and sufferings, and you will pass the day very well. And that's all for today. Hope the best of luck. Assalamu alaikum. Eid Mubarak again.